signifies safety, and it's something babies have when they grow up. They know that their bed is safe.
Good boy. Are you ready for your nap, Stanley?
No.
Aww.
No.
What if I read you a really fun story first? We can cuddle up.
No, okay.
Even though Stanley's 31, he still hasn't learned how to sleep alone. His girlfriend, Evdatni, handles pretty much...
Payag ka, pantay kayo ng boto niyan. Pantay kayo ng boto ng mga bonjing, pantay kayo ng boto ni Sinigang, pantay kayo ng boto ng ibang mangmang na tao na mas pinili ang kamangmangan kaysa mag-improve. And then, sila yung may say ng kung sinong tao yung iuupo nila at kung ano yung mga policies na ilalagay nung taong iuupo nila. And of course, since mangmang nga sila at may diferensya sa, imagine yung mga factors na pipiliin nila for voting. So this is the perils of democracy. Binigyan natin ng same power yung mga walang kakayanan mag-isip, walang critical thinking, mahihina, mangmang uto-uto, and is now growing dahil mas madali nga yung utuin sila. Or mas madaling maging uto-uto, mas madaling maging tamad, mas madaling maging bobo na lang kaysa improve yung sarili natin, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. And we are also an anti-intellectual country wherein pag malalim yung tao, matalino, at hindi natin sila naiintindihan at hindi maganda sa pakiramdam yung sinasabi nila, we burn them at the stake. We crucify them for having a much more intelligent opinion than the majority of the group. That's how Philippines is right now. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.